fishing? Don't they? Oh, you already got the pump? Okay, cool. My guy. Just, what's up, channel? This could make for a long night. We got the OG office crew fixing to head down to one of our projects. We're doing a late night cut and cap. I'll explain thoroughly what a cut and cap is, what we're doing, cutting over water mains, the new, the old, all of it. But it's gonna be pretty cool. All at night. We're starting at 10 o'clock, running until about 2. So.
In the ground, discharge is there. We just need to turn the
energy drinks at 8 o'clock at night. Here's the cut and caps. Yeah, smooth process. Here we go.
Shit, baby. All right.
Alright guys, while I've got a second here, I'm kind of whizzing around. I've got Dalton with me, I've got Cecil with me working on site. We're basically cutting out, we're doing a cut and cap in the utility world, that's what we call it. The city will be here at 10 o'clock. Time check for you guys, it's 9 p.m., 8:57 to be exact. I've got the estimator, the project manager, and the owner out here doing this cut and cap. Our crews are extremely busy at the moment. To ask them to do a midnight cut and cap, plus keep schedule, just don't make sense. So the office guys and myself are pitching in, try to remember how to do this. These guys helped me build this place. It's a pretty nostalgic feeling coming back to this. So it's my handy dandy pointer here. You can see down there, we've got a 6-inch line that we're going to basically make 2 cuts in, put caps on, and put an I-beam in place to keep the thrust from running back. You'll see as this video is going, but it's a lot of hurry up and wait, go, 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 go to be prepared. We can't have this water main shut off longer than 4 hours. This is an active water main. We have put a water main on site. We have taken place of this water main. We're at the point of deleting this water main, but there's still public water going to be traveling through this and hitting this cap, so we have to treat it as such. We can't affect people. So obviously there's proper steps and procedures. Everything's getting cleaned. Everything we're touching that hasn't been disinfected with chlorine yet is getting bleached and chlorine and everything else. So these 2 boys and myself have worked hand in hand together a lot, so this should be a lot of fun. We're getting ready. We'll make some quick cuts and make this thing happen. So stay tuned. If you want to know an experience tip, these 2 guys have worked a ditch a long time, so have I. It takes 2 seconds. Cut a piece of plastic. Dylan hasn't been in a ditch 3 or 4 years other than testing, okay? Cuts a piece of plastic, what's he do? He lays his bullets out on it, lays his gaskets out on it, make sure he's got a clean, nice, neat working area, because this can get out of control pretty quickly. And when you got people's water shut off, you can't not have a plan. So, yeah, just wanted to throw that at you. Keep your job site clean, way more efficient. Made our first cut. You guys can see down there, basically the water's draining off the bottom side of the pipe. We've got our pump buried from the guys that were here before. Pump's buried, water's going off in the gravel. We got about 6-8 inches of gravel. The other guys were walking around on mud. We're just basically letting the line drain out, get most of the water out, and make 2 nice solid cuts. right, guys, you got to see me work for a change. That was, man, it felt really good, except time check for you guys. It's 10:41, and I was coming at you at 9 o'clock. All we got to do, Dalton's cutting that I-beam right now. This is a very chaotic, it can be a very, very chaotic thing if it's not controlled and managed correctly. These guys had us set up, ready to go. We showed up, bang it out, cut the pipe, put our caps on, and we're fixing to knock our I-beam back down and get the water back turned on. So, other than that, guys, that could not have gone any better. Hopefully we don't, barring any mishaps and anything like that, but we've got the city of Springdale out here. We've got the engineering service out here checking everything out. Like I said, Dalton's finishing up that I-beam. We slapped that in, we put water back on. We done. We're going home and going.